Namaskar, I am Shilpi ji. Today we will discuss about the structured query language, few topics of class 12 computer science. These topics, first one is aggregate functions, grouped by having clause. Then next, the first one is aggregate functions. Aggregate functions means if we are taking the more than one inputs but produce only single one value, this function is called the aggregate function. It means these functions perform the calculation on a particular column and return a single value. There are 5 aggregate functions in MySQL. Sum, AVG, max, min, count. Sum, it means if we want to perform the addition or summation of all the value of a particular column, then we use sum. If we want the data for average for a particular attribute. For example, if we want to find the average of marks, then we write AVG marks, the maximum value of input, the min. This function is used to find the minimum value of inputs. And the last one is count. This function is used to count the number of values. The main thing is that these aggregate functions will not entertain null. Don't entertain null. Null means nothing. It means for average it will not accept. For example, if this given 2 into 3, 4, then null. Okay, this one is given. Then if you want to maximum, this is the 4. I write max of the column name, for example, is marks. Then we write marks, it will return 4. If we write min, marks, it will return 2. If you want count, marks, it will return 3. It will not is 4, but the aggregate function will not perform any operation or it will not accept null. Okay. For condition of AVG, it will add 2 plus 3 plus 4 and divided by 3 because the count is only 3. It will not divide by 4. Okay. These are the aggregate functions. Okay. Just check. I write select. We want to max percentage and we get max per from student is the maximum, same min this one, then count. Okay, if there is any value that is null, it will not accept. Okay, next is group by. The group by is a clause that is perform the operation aggregate function on grouping of information. It means if we want to perform the aggregate function for a particular group. For example, if we want the number of students in each class. So first we have to create the group for each class. 6, 7, 8, 9. It means group by the class. Then perform the operation count. Okay, this is called the group by. Okay, having clause. Having clause means the having clause. It means it is a similar to the where clause. In a just normal, we are using the where, but if we are using the group by clause, where clause is converted to the having clause. Okay, it will replaced. Where is replaced by having clause when we are using group by. Okay, in this question, find the average of percentage of class that having more than 2 students. Okay, it means first we have to find average. This one is clear. In condition is given class we are having more than 1 student. It means we have to create group according to class. This one in condition, the condition is given the number of student is more than 2. This is having, not a where, because we are using the group by, so it is where is replaced by having. And this is the condition count star greater than 2. Okay, let's check this one. The first one is group by. We have to select, we have to display the class with the strength. It means class, comma strength. Strength means count. This one from student, then group by class. Okay, this one is clear. In class 11, there are 3 students. In class 12, there is a 1 student. Okay, select class. This is the class. Okay, this is the class. Then this is the count. We have to give the group by class. It means it will create the group according to class and perform the counting. Okay, this one. Next is having class. The same. Select. We find the average of percentage from student. Then have to perform group by class. Okay, according to the, but having count is star greater than 2. Okay, it means we have to display percentage, average of percentage. Question is that find the average of percentage of class whose number of students is greater than 2. Then group by the class and count star, it means it will count the number of students. It must be greater than 2. Then because we are using group by, then where clause is replaced by having clause. Okay, there is only, this is the output, this is the output, because only the 11th has the more than 2 students, then it is only 1 output. Okay, this is the group by having and aggregate functions. Next is update command. Okay, the update command, this command is DML command. It means it changes the data of a table. Okay, if you want to perform any changes in a table, then we are using the update. Then syntax, the syntax update is a keyword, table name, whose data we want to change, select set, again it is a keyword. This is the column where we want to change. This is the column name. This is the new value, then where condition. Okay. For example, this one written increase the percentage by 2 of for the roll number or admission number 101. It means update table name student. What we want to update, we have to write set percentage equals to percentage plus 2. We increased. If we write only this one, it means it will change all students percentage by 2. But given only one student, that is roll number is and admission number is 101. Then we are give the condition where admission number equals to 101. In the next, no condition is given, just increase the percentage by 2. It means where class is not required. In right, update table name set per equals to per plus 2 percentage of percent. This is the update command, and this one update command is DML command, data manipulation language. The condition is in this, the condition is not given, it means it will change complete table. Okay, just check. Right, update table name, then set. We have to increase the marks percentage per equals to per plus 2 where condition where admission number equals to 101. Okay, the update is command. This is the table name. This is table name. Then set what you want to change per equals to per plus 2 where condition this one. Take it. What it will be the okay. This is query okay. One row is affected. Just check it is updated or not. Now the 101 percentage is 62 and the before it is a 60. Okay, the only we perform the changes of this condition. If condition is fulfilled, updation is done. Next one is if we want to perform the change in the complete table, it means we are not giving the where condition. We write update this one update per equals to per into 2. It means all the 4 row. It means all percentage increase by 2%. It means 62 is increased by 63, 78, 80, 80, 82 and 90. Okay, this is about the update. We can also update more than one column at a time. Okay, with the help of comma. If I write this one per equals to this one, comma, class equals to the first one is class is this one, then 12. It means both will be performed. Okay. Now roll number admission number 101. The class is 12. Okay, and marks percentage increased by again 2. The first one is this one. Now is 65. Okay. Next is delete command. Again, this is delete command. It means this is DML command, data manipulation language. This command is used to remove the information from rows and rows. Okay. It means it is not permanently delete the structure of a table, just delete the data. Okay. It means only we can delete the rows. That's why it is DML command. Okay. The syntax, what is the syntax? Delete, this is the keyword, delete from, then the table name, condition, this one. If you just write delete from student, it means without condition, again it will delete all the rows of student. If you want to delete a particular row, then we have to give the condition. Okay, there will be a 102. Okay, if you want to perform changes, then we have to give the where condition, because return remove the information of admission number 102. It means delete from student where admission number equals to 102. If you are not giving there, it means it will delete entire rows. Okay, then we have not write anything, delete name star, because by default delete the rows. Okay, just check. For example, if we write delete from student where equals to 104. Okay, one row is this one. There is 104 record is deleted. If I write only this one, we are not giving just this one, it will delete the entire data of a student, but not delete the structure of a student. Okay. The next one is alter table command. This command is used to perform the updation and modification on the structure of a table. Okay. It means this is command is related to the structure of a table. That's why it is a DDL command. Because with the help of alter command, we can change the structure. That's why it is a DDL command. We can add rows, constraints, we can add new columns, remove columns, modify the existing columns, rename columns. It means all the operation in the form of columns. Okay, that's why it is a DDL command. For all these operations, the only one command is used, but has different clauses. If we want to add column and constant, then we write add. If we want to delete or modify, if we want to delete, then we're using drop. If you want to add column, then add. If you want to changes the data types of attribute or column, then we are using modify. Just check a few. The first one is add one new column address with data type. Then we are using alter table table name. This is the complete. And we want to add, it means add constraint. Then column name, which column we want to add, and definition of column. Okay. If you want to remove the no date of definition, just write alter table table name, drop then column name which we want to delete. Okay. The next is change the size. It means alter table table name. Then we are using the clause modify. Then the column name whose data type we want to change. Then new. This is the new. Okay. These are the alter command. Just check. Just alter table name student add. We want to add a column. The column is, for example, address type. We have to define the definition where here 40. Then enter. Okay. Then just check. The one column is added. This is the address, and by default it will take the null. For enter this one, we have to use the update command. Okay, this is related to the add a column. We add a column. Okay. Now, if we want to delete the column, then because we delete, it means we are using alter command. That is this one alter table name student. Then use drop. Then column name is address. Because there is no need of definition, just write the column name. Okay, let's check. It's deleted. Okay, now if you want to the change the definition of this one, just check the first definition. This is the definition. Now I want to change the definition of name. There is written varchar 20. Now I want 25 of size. Then use alter table student modify then column name varchar. This one is 25. Just check this one. This one. Now okay, it will be changed. The first one is, this one is name, the size is 20. Now it is 25. Okay, these are the alter command. The last one is drop table. It means if you want to delete the structure of a table, if you want to delete the data of a table, then we are using the delete command. If you want to delete the structure of a table, then we are using the drop command. Because this command is related to the structure, so it is again DDL command. If the command is related to the data, then it is DML. If the command is related to the structure, then it is a DDL. Then drop table, this is the command, then table name. Okay. This command will remove the structure of a table with all the data. Okay. Then drop table student. It means the complete table will be destroy. Okay. If we write drop table name student. Okay, now I write to check if I write something. This one, Vidya dot student does not exist. It means it is deleted. We want to show tables, no table, because this is permanently deleted with the command of drop table student. Okay, if we want to show databases with the display, if we want to delete the database, again drop database Vidya. Now just check database is deleted. If the database is dropped, then by default all the tables of this particular database is also deleted. Okay, this one is dropped. It is DDL command. Okay, this is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.